Hello dear pharmacy student and fresh graduate. This is a pharmaceutical industry orientation to help you know more about the factory. You may have some questions. 1. What is the pharmaceutical industry? 2. How does the work flow in the production area? And 3. What department fits me more? Let's have a quick tour in the factory. First of all, why do we launch a new product? Sometimes to introduce a new drug for a present disease. Another target is to produce a new generic or to provide a new dosage form. Let's start the drug's life cycle. At the beginning, THR active ingredient is purchased as raw material from an approved supplier in a lot of tests to ensure that it meets the specification. Then it reaches the warehouse to be stored in a clean, temperature and humidity controlled environment, in a specific position. According to a specific formula, the raw material is weighed in a central dispensing area through a specific procedures and trained personnel. The raw materials are blended together and mixed thoroughly to be prepared for compression stage. The compression is done with a pre-adjusted parameters for tablet weight, thickness, and shape. Quality control department tests a sample from the compressed tablets to ensure that the content of the drug inside the tablets is within the acceptance limits. Most of the analysis are done using the high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. At the end of compression stage, tablets are blistered in blisters to be protected from any contamination, light, and humidity. Also, product name and concentration are present on the blisters to facilitate the drug identification. Secondary packaging or putting the blisters in boxes is done to facilitate the storage and transportation of the drug product. Again, it reaches the finished product warehouse to be stored and distributed to the community pharmacies. Finally, it reaches the pharmacy to be sold either as over-the-counter drug, OTC, or as a prescribed drug. This was a quick tour inside the pharmaceutical factory. Hope you enjoyed it. Best regards. Focus Analytics.